Hello. I'm going to take a minute to talk about a feature functionality added to our Vicinity 4.53, which is our December 31st, 2025 release. Specifically, this one is only relative to our clients that have already or they're already on Business Central. Specifically, it comes down to how or if we post additional cost transactions to the general journal in Business Central. Prior to this release, it was an all or nothing type proposition. If we saw that you had a work in process account set up against the facility, we said, oh, they're posting to the general ledger, let's go ahead and take care of that. We have clients, however, that don't want additional cost activity to go to the general ledger. They're just using it for managerial reporting, say costing, calculating costing information, like maybe you want to have a burden or an overhead added for cost roll-up purposes, but you don't want to capitalize those costs into the general ledger. That's the scenario that we're talking about. Prior to this release, that wasn't possible. It was all or nothing. If you're sending anything over into Business Central, we were assuming those additional costs as well. It's actually a very simple setup. It's actually part of setup, application, and production control setup. This is where we set up things like the batch user-defined fields and how we control where inventory accounts are coming from, things like that, or inventory sites. This is the new setting down here where we say write to the general journal. If this is checked on, then it's going to be up to you as the user to make sure that you have GL accounts on the additional cost ID that you are posting. So if this is all, just turn it on. That'll get your labor transactions, overhead transactions going into Business Central. Turn this off if you just simply want to use those cost calculations in, say, a cost roll-up for internal costing purposes. Anyway, we hope that helps. Hope it simplifies some things as it relates to cost accounting or cost roll-ups. And look forward to hearing some feedback and some suggestions on how we can make our product and our integration better. Thanks a lot and have a great day.